Russians attacked Mountain Brigade infantry positions in Zaporizhia 2nd Mountain Assault Battalion. Russians attacked Mountain Brigade infantry positions in Zaporizhia. Occupants elimination Ukraine war with Russia. Zaporizhia. The Russian command sent assault men to the positions of the Ukrainian military in Zaporizhia. The 2nd Mountain Assault Battalion of the 128th Mountain Assault Brigade said that the Russians had used armored vehicles with ATVs in the assault. In particular, the Russians sent BMD-4 airborne assault vehicles, which are usually used by airborne troops. To destroy these forces, the Ukrainian military used artillery and attack drones. The enemy decided to test how far they could drive a -4 Bermudian dollars in ATVs. It turned out not very far. They received an unwanted upgrade from our artillery and drones, the military said. The attack took place near the village of Piatikotki in the Zaporizhia region. Kvadrachikli okupantov na Zaporizhzhia, Luty 2025, Ukraina, Zerilo, 2 Jagersko Sturmovomaj Battlejon, Invaders ATVs in Zaporizhia. February 2025, Ukraine. Source: 2nd Mountain Assault Battalion. This village was liberated by the Ukrainian military in 2023 during the offensive. Recently, Ivan Fedorov, head of the Zaporizhia Regional Military Administration, said that there was a threat of an offensive in one direction remote from Zaporizhia. The enemy is planning an offensive in one direction remote from Zaporizhia. We are aware of this and are preparing. The enemy will fail once again, he emphasized. 2nd Mountain Assault Battalion. At the same time, Fedorov added that it was impossible to say that there was no threat to the city. We cannot say that there is no threat to Zaporizhia. But there is no threat for the next 3 months, 6 months, because the enemy has no forces that we cannot overcome. The defenders who are defending the Zaporizhia front line are heroes who continue to destroy the enemy, Fedorov said. According to him, the number of defense structures has increased 100-fold over the past year.